A pipe just burst. Don't panic, but move fast. These 4 steps in the next few minutes will save you thousands of dollars in damage. First, shut off your main water valve. Turn it clockwise until it stops. Then open a faucet downstairs to drain the pressure from your lines. Next, go to your breaker panel and cut power to any wet rooms. Water travels through walls invisibly. When in doubt, shut off the main breaker. Now photograph everything before you touch it. Walk the whole area and shoot from multiple angles. Your insurance adjuster needs this documentation. Move rugs and furniture off wet floors. Slide aluminum foil under legs you can't lift. Blot standing water with towels. Never a regular vacuum. Watch for hidden damage, bubbling paint, soft drywall, or a damp smell. If you hear dripping inside a wall, that leak is bigger than it looks. Avoid these common mistakes. No ceiling fans, no space heaters, and don't pull up wet carpet yourself. It can hurt your insurance claim. A plumber fixes the pipe. A restoration crew handles everything the water touched. Drywall, insulation, subfloor. Using professional drying equipment. Don't let a burst pipe turn into a 5-figure repair. Call Life Savers Restoration LLC at 702-845-1325.